Meta Neural Band lets you control Meta Ray Ban display by making gestures with your hand. Meta Neural Band works by interpreting the signals created by your muscle activity when you make certain gestures. The fit of Meta Neural Band is different from other wristbands and watches. In order to function properly, it's important that you wear Meta Neural Band correctly. Wear it on your writing hand. The line on the band faces you and the compute module is on the top of your wrist. Position is just past your wrist bone. The band is secured snug and comfortably so that all the sensors have contact with your skin, with the clasp closed. If you're having trouble getting gestures to work with your band, check to make sure you're wearing the band correctly and that it's the right fit. For more information, you can watch our video, How to Wear Meta Neural Band. Make sure that Meta Neural Band is turned on. To turn on the band, press and hold the power button for 1 to 2 seconds until the LED slowly pulses white and the band vibrates. When your band is worn correctly, you can perform gestures with your hand resting by your side or on your lap. You do not need to hold your arm out to have Meta Neural Band interpret your gestures. Let's take a look at what you could do with gestures on Meta Neural Band. To wake or sleep your glasses, double tap your middle finger on your thumb. To scroll, swipe your thumb on your index finger, just like swiping on a phone. To select, tap your index finger on your thumb. To go back, tap your middle finger on your thumb. To zoom in or out in the Capture, Photos, and Maps apps, you can do an index finger hold and turn, just like turning a knob. Index finger hold and turn your wrist right to zoom in. Index finger hold and turn your wrists left to zoom out. To adjust volume, index finger hold and turn your wrist right to increase the volume. Index finger hold and turn your wrist left to decrease the volume. To activate or exit Meta AI, double tap your thumb on the side of your index finger. While in an app, to open or close the switcher, hold your middle finger to your thumb. This is your shortcut to access the switcher from any app. If you're having trouble getting a gesture to work, check if you are wearing the band correctly and are in a relaxed position. If you are still having trouble, try doing the gesture a little faster and more precisely. You should feel haptics when performing a gesture. To learn more about Meta Neural Band gestures, visit the Gestures library in the Meta AI mobile app. For more videos and information about using Meta Ray Ban display and Meta Neural Band, visit the Getting Started hub by scanning the QR code on the reference guide. You can also visit our Help Center to learn more or contact Meta Store support.